Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a glide bait out of wood. First, choose a good wood block like cedar around 6 inches long. Sketch your bait's profile onto the wood, then carefully cut it out. Use a band saw or carving knife for precision. After cutting, sand the body thoroughly, starting with 120 grit and finishing with 220 grit sandpaper for a smooth surface. This prepares your bait for the next steps. Next, we'll add the weight and hardware. Drill a hole in the belly for your lead weight, often about 5 inches in diameter. Insert the weight so it's flush with the wood. Then, install screw eyes for your line tie and hook hangers. These are typically made from 0.62-inch wire. Finally, attach 2 treble hooks, commonly size 1/0 or 2/0, to complete the hardware setup. Now it's time to seal and paint your glide bait. Apply multiple coats of a good waterproof wood sealer, letting each coat dry fully. This protects the wood from water damage. Once sealed, use an airbrush or brush to paint your bait with your chosen colors and patterns. Don't forget to add realistic details like eyes and gill plates. Allow the paint to dry completely before applying the final protective clear coat. For the final step, apply a durable clear coat like epoxy or a 2-part urethane to protect your paint and wood. Let it cure completely, which can take 24 to 48 hours. Once cured, test your bait in water to check its glide action and balance. If necessary, make small adjustments to the line tie or add tiny weights to achieve the perfect swimming motion. Your custom glide bait is now ready.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.